guys, welcome to another cleaning video. Hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe. So starting off, I just wanted to make sure I got my sheets and stuff done, and so the room is a big mess, but that's because we just had a date night and I don't feel like cleaning up the same night. We just want to relax. So yeah. I'm also gonna try not to talk a whole lot in this video. I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy it. So I cleaned up what I could, but they're doing some repairs in the apartments. So basically, I don't have any water right now, so I can't like wash dishes or like wash clothes or nothing. But so I cleaned up all the stuff that I have on my desk right here. I mean, dresser, whatever it is. I used to have a bunch of crap back here, and like just like controllers that I'm not using, like these for the Switch. And then like my charger and just like all kind of electrical stuff. I really need to find some type of like organization, like storage place for all of that. Cause right now in my closet, we use our closet as like a gaming place. Right now it's just so messy in here. Like all this little stuff. I just have so much stuff everywhere and it just feels so unorganized and messy. So I need to figure out something to do with that. That'll be on the to-do list, you know. But yeah, this is my gaming area. I only have a little mini fridge over here. But yeah, I did basically everything that I can do. My hamster's in there. Because she likes the dark. And she doesn't like to be out here with us because she doesn't like us. I'm waiting for the sheets to get done drying. My bathroom, I had just cleaned my bathroom, so it didn't need to be cleaned. Like I just cleaned it yesterday. I got all this picked up, other than the shoes that I'm gonna put on to leave, and then my jacket. All this has to go to the dumpster, but I'm too weak to do it by myself. Guys, check out our pumpkins. We love them. All this has to go to, ignore that. And I can't move my living room around by myself because I am weak. Basically everything is done. I just have to wait on my water to come back on. Whenever that'll happen. It'd be nice when it does though. But yeah, other than that, everything is clean. I got the counters cleaned off. Here, I'll cut the light off. I got the counters cleaned off. This is broken. Yeah, I broke it. Yeah, I need to organize the pantry as well. It's just messy in there, but that's okay. That's what floors are for. So yeah, I'm just waiting for all this to get done, and my sheets are done. Oh, I showed you guys. I made pumpkin seeds. Hold on. There's no water for it to go. I made pumpkin seeds, and I got, I'm gonna make brownies, and I'm gonna make pumpkin bread. Super excited. 10 out of 10. I was gonna tell you guys something else. I forgot. Hold on. Oh! So I have IBS, and like I can't ever find anything, like so far we haven't found anything that helps, but I am working on finding like trigger foods and stuff like that so I can stay away from it. But something said, I read on a couple different things saying that to try like tea, and I couldn't find like one together, but I found peppermint and ginger tea. So I'm gonna try those this weekend. I say this weekend, well probably tomorrow, because tomorrow's Friday. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday are the only days that I don't have a bunch of places to go all day. So it won't matter if my stomach is messed up and hurting. So that's when I try all my experimental things. I tried peppermint tea before because I was gonna be like, oh, it's Frank-fiety or whatever, but I didn't like it. I don't like hot tea. It's gross. It's gross. But yeah, that's all I'm waiting on to finish cleaning today. So yeah, see you guys later. Whenever my sheet is off and I'm putting it back on, my cat has to go under it. He has to. He feels like it's a game or something. He just loves walking around under it. So I'm not abusing him, I swear. You will see me talking to myself a lot here. It's because I'm talking to myself about my books. I'm talking about the A Court of Thorns and Roses book. They're just so crazy to me sometimes. And sometimes, it's been like weeks since I read them, and sometimes I just have to revisit the idea of the books, and I'm like, wow, that actually happened. That actually happened in the book. I'm so surprised. So I'm just fighting with myself over what the heck is going on. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.